I don't launch any new marketing campaign without doing this step. And this step is called competitor research. And fortunately, the platforms have now released ad libraries that you can use to be able to find winning ad ideas, creative ideas, even marketing angles and hooks. And I'm going to show you guys the ads library for the 4 top platforms, which includes Meta Ads, Google Ads, LinkedIn Ads, and TikTok Ads. So let's dive right in. All you need to do to be able to find this is just Google Ads library, and this is how it should look like. This is what the Meta Ads library looks, and this is what the LinkedIn Ads library, and for the TikTok Ads library, this is how it looks like. So let's try it out one by one. Let's say I'm in the dog niche and I'm going to look at a couple of ideas. So all you need to do is, obviously, you just need to change where you want it to show up. Let's say you're in the United States and you're looking into, let's say I'm looking for like YouTube ad ideas, and then just type in, like, say this one, dog, right? Now, Google shows that this one is running 31 ads, so we can check that out, and there it is. Like, these ads are actually running on Google Ads, but this might not be a good example because it looks like a Performance Max campaign. We want something that would be related to like a video, an actual video. So let's see the next competitor if they're actually running some videos. And this one is a video. As you can see here, this one is running like those 3 videos. So again, super quick and easy way to find your competitors. Plug in your website, plug in your competitor's website. That's Google Ads library, or it's called Google Ads Transparency Center. Now let's go to Meta Ads, and again, the same process. Just make sure you're logged into your Facebook Ads account, and then change it to whatever country you're in, and then just type in any keyword that is related to what you would like to look into. So for example, here, let's look at this one, wellness. This looks like a wellness pet supply company. And there you have it. So now I have a couple of ideas. Now, there are Chrome extensions that can help you kind of swipe and create your own swipe file of files for your reference in the future. But you can always go back to the Meta Ads library. Again, it's free. It's totally free to use. And what you can do here is, if you look into the ad details, it doesn't show any information about like how long has it been running, what are the stats. Click here and view ads, and that will open up the actual ad library. But again, it doesn't have any stats. You don't know how many clicks, how many likes it got. Right? I'll show you guys an option if you want to do that later on in this video. But let's go to the LinkedIn Ads library. Again, similar thing here. You want to change your country. Let's say I want to only look again just in the United States. And then let's type in dogs as well. And we'll be able to kind of see if there are any ads that are running. And there's a couple of them. Like this one is definitely Ollie, like a vet program. Yeah, so this is, again, a very quick way to be able to find ad ideas. And if you're a media buyer, you definitely need this in your tool, and you're probably already using this one. And for example, this is a thought leader ad. This one is just a video ad. And then let's go to the final one that I want to show you guys is the TikTok's ad library. As you can see here, we can go to the country. Let's just put all countries for now, and then I'll just type in like dogs. Okay, so let's see what we could find here. There it is. So again, a lot of like this UGC style TikTok ads. So again, this is a quick way to actually identify some ad ideas, but it only provides you with, like, for example, here in TikTok, it can provide you with like first shown, last shown, unique users, but it doesn't provide you with more stats. If you want to dive deeper, I've used ad spy competitor tools. And one of the things that I kind of want to mention is Pipiads. So Pipiads is kind of like the ads library for TikTok ads and Facebook ads. But it also allows you for looking at other products, like what are the winning products, what are the top products for a particular store. So I just want to give you guys like a quick rundown on how to use this platform, just in case you want more data, you want more information about a specific ad creative or a specific store. You can quickly just go to, let's say you want to look into the TikTok ads. And let's say I'm only looking for e-commerce stores. I only want to look at Shopify stores. I only want to look at like ads that are running in the United States again. And then I want to sort it by, let's say, by ad spend. So this is something that is not available on the ads library because again, it's hard to find data. But this one, it allows you to right away, like sort it by what's already working, what winning creatives are. So if you're interested in trying out Pipiads, there's a link below this video. That's my affiliate link. So thank you so much for supporting this channel. Basically, this is how I use these types of tools. You can do a couple of things here. So you can do, let's say, again, my niche is in the dogs niche. I want to kind of make it more specific. So I'll just quickly type in dogs, right? And then hopefully that would allow me. And there you are. There you have it. And then you sort it by ad spend. You can sort it in many ways, but this is kind of how I want to sort it out because I know if the advertiser is putting a lot of money on that particular creative, a couple things might be true. Number one, it's probably working for them. Number two, they just probably want to push it for branding, awareness, and purpose. So you want to look into the engagement as well. So for example, this has been running for 91 days. That's almost like 4 months, so like 3 months in a day. And it got like 30,000 likes. So they're pushing this, but this has been running this was running 2023. So this already paused. So if you look into the ads library, you might not be able to find this. Again, this is on TikTok. Let me just quickly switch to, let's say I want to look into Facebook. Now you have a different set of ads, but this one's really recent. So this one is really cool. So if you open this up, so this is also why I like this types of tool is because it provides you with a lot of learning. You don't need to start from scratch in terms of getting like creative hooks or creative marketing angles. So if you look in here, every single day. Okay, so as you can see here, that is the hook. I was cleaning pee every single day, which if you're doing that, if you're that person, they immediately grab your attention. You'll definitely resonate and continue watching. Okay, so let's just play the entire video. And then from there, it's a 1.5 minute video and got 13,000 impressions. Been running for less than 3 months. Says here, 200,000 to 400,000 ad costs. I'm not sure if this is accurate or not, but it knows that it's a Shopify platform. It has been running from June until today. So it's still live. And if you want to see the link for that particular product, it is this page. So this is awesome. So this is the landing page, which is perfect. It's not a product page. And again, this is something that you can learn a lot from. So perfect creative, perfect landing page. It's not a product page, not a collection page, it's not a home page. Again, this is kind of the strategy behind it. So I would say this is really, really working well. Like they wouldn't be spending a lot of money if they haven't seen success from this one. Again, I don't have any stats, but based on Pipiads, based on what I've seen here, this is a good idea that you don't want to copy. You want to model from it. You want to learn from it, right? So, okay, so let's play it.
Pee every single day until I found what rescue shelters use to stop indoor peeing. I tried everything. Pee pads, my dog peed next to them. Spent $800 on training classes, he still marked inside. Enzyme cleaners made my carpet smell like flowers and pee mixed together. $30 a month on pads, $200 for trainers, $25 spray bottles. Extra walks before bed. Nothing worked. He'd still pee inside. 2 years of stepping in pee, that smell hitting you at the door. I accepted this was life with dogs. Then I noticed something weird. This lady who fosters 15 dogs, her house didn't smell at all. Perfect floors, even with new rescues coming in. I had to know her secret. She showed me these little plugins, TheraPet diffusers. These don't try to train your dog or cover smells. They fix why dogs pee inside. Stress. The diffuser sends out special dog pheromones that say, this place is safe, no need to mark. Works 24/7, even when you're at work. We plugged in 3, living room, bedroom, kitchen. 48 hours later, the peeing stopped. No more pads, no more puddles, no smell. You can't smell it. Safe for everyone. Just a natural scent that makes dogs feel calm and secure. 3 months now. Bella and Tyson haven't peed once. People can come over again. No more crating when I leave. It's like having new dogs. What I saved on cleaners already paid for these 5 times over. They sold out twice last year. Right now, 50% off. One customer said, now this is my real dog, not that peeing machine. Millions of dog parents are seeing great results with TheraPet, and they're selling out fast. Get a pee-free home in 30 days or get your money back guaranteed.
Amazing. If you guys watch this video and will rewatch it again, a couple of things. They have a great hook. They have they really call to the pain points of the target user or their target demographic if you're within, and they kind of mention a lot. So if you just hit one of those pain points, you will definitely engage with this content. A couple of things that you probably saw as well is they introduce a solution, but not something that they had tried before, something that's totally new. Like when you enter a market, especially in this big, broad mass markets, you want to be able to enter with something new, especially in a very saturated market like this one. And at the end of the call to action, there's a risk reversal of get your money back guaranteed, which is obviously awesome because again, that just removes the friction. And when you actually go to the landing page as well, this is perfect. Right away, you know that you're in the right place. There's social proof. I like the big and bold headline, 30-day money back guarantee, just the image as well. And then a lot of social proof, right? And then just a copy as well. And how does it work? What is your dog behaving? There's education, but at the same time, there's a lot of social proof. There's a lot of just new information here that people would definitely be willing to try on. I hope you learned from it. And if you want to check out Pipiads, again, there's a link in the video description. If you have any questions with regards to this video, regards to competitor ads, looking at the ads library, I'd love to hear more about it. This is Ryan Cruz from TRAFFICSALAD. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. If you learned anything from this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and click the bell notification to be notified whenever I publish a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.